Here I have RAZER Phone, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let me switch off the device, choose power off, and let's wait until your phone will be completely turned off. Afterwards, you need to find the slot. The slot is located right here at the right edge of the device. Let's simply use some thumber tag or special eject tool to open this slot. In my case, it could be simple thumber tag. Let's just press it right here. Just press it to the end to open the whole thing. Now you may remove the slot. Let me do it. And here you can insert the two cards, Nano SIM and micro SD. Let's start with micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in the following slot. And let's also insert here the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's insert this card in that position. As you can see, this is the properly inserted cards. So now let's put the whole thing into your device and press it to the end. Alright, let me press power key to switch on the device. The RAZER is turning on. Let me check out if both cards works properly. Let's unlock the screen, and as you can see, you can, for example, check out if your SD card is working by finding and selecting the settings right here. Scroll down, choose storage, and as you can see, your device is using the portable storage. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.